Then take a look at the USB 3.0 switch, 2 in, 4 out. So this is the main box. We got a couple of LEDs on the top so we know exactly which desktop it is currently connected to. It says it's 5 gigabit per second, and we got our switch button right there. On the front we got 2 USB-A ports, a USB-C port, and our control port. Down the back we got 3 USB-A ports and our power in. We got 2 USB-A to USB-A cables. We got a USB-A to USB-C cable, and we have our remote switch. So with this, you can either choose to use this button right here on the unit, but if you have that kind of set back where you can't really easily reach it, use this button as an alternative. We got one computer here. We got our other computer back there. This computer runs on these 2 screens. The computer in the back runs on this screen. Only problem is you can see that keyboard back there. And we got another mouse sitting on top of that computer. Then we got a keyboard here for this computer as well as a mouse for this computer. So with this, we're going to make it so that that keyboard and that mouse in the front will work with both computers. So I'm going to take my first cable. I got that plugged into the back of the computer. I'm going to plug that into PC1. So now we got our light right here. So we got PC1. We can't hit the switch. And we can switch that, but it is not really currently plugged into anything. So I'm going to take my mouse and my keyboard, and I'm going to plug those into the front. So now I have control over my keyboard and my mouse on this computer. So then I'll take my second cable, I'll plug that into PC2, and I can unplug my other keyboard and mouse and plug that into that computer. So now if I hit switch, the other light now lit up, and now I can use my mouse and my keyboard. So that way I can share that one mouse and keyboard with both computers. I no longer need to have that stuff in the background. I can take that out. And if I want to, I can plug this guy in. I can run this up to the front so it'll be easy to get to. And I can use that for doing all my switching. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice switch.